Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 62, Introduction to Trigonometry, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Fill in the blanks. There are 4-5 sub-questions to this, we'll solve them. If x equals to a cos cube theta plus and y equals to b sin cube theta, then x upon a raised to 2 by 3 plus y upon b raised to 2 by 3 equals to, here it's quite simple. First what you do is x and a, bring them together because move towards our goal, towards our target. So x upon a equals to cos cube theta, y upon b equals to sin cube theta, right, from the given question. So what we want, x square. So x upon a the whole raised to, okay, let's do it 1 by 3 because that is also required. X upon a raised to 1 by 3 equals to cos theta, right, cube root on both the sides. Y upon b raised to 1 by 3 equals to sin theta. Okay, now square them. X upon a raised to 2 by 3 equals to cos square theta. Y upon b raised to 2 by 3 equals to sin square theta. Now add them as given in the question. So what we get, cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equals to 1. So that's the answer. Next, fill in the blanks. Again, if x equals to a sec theta cos phi, y equals to b sec theta sin phi, z equals to c tan theta, then x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus z square upon c square equals to, quite easy one. Do this, bring x upon a. So it becomes x upon a equals to sec theta cos phi. A comes over here. Similarly, b comes over here. Y upon b equals to sec theta sin phi. And z upon c equals to tan theta. Okay. So do it as required in the question. Therefore, x upon a the whole square plus y upon b the whole square minus z. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos: IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.